All right.
Okay.
Good, sir.
Okay, so what does it mean you guys this year to be selected for Coco Studio?
It means opportunities. It means extending and exploring other borders of as we try to promote our music. Yeah, man, it means good vibes. Yeah.
We've seen you guys doing a collab with Fik. Did you have it in mind that one day you have this opportunity with Fik on the same stage doing a collab that has been paid for by a brand like this?
Maybe not, but yeah, I've worked with Fik before, like I've done. You know, people have been accusing me for not working with other artists, but actually I have a lot of collabos with Mrs. Sinatra. So this is probably our second song together, but it so happens that it's a Coco Studio kind of song. Yeah, man.
Does this mean level up a level on your career?
I beg your pardon?
Does it mean this taking another level for your career?
Of course, definitely. Every day we are elevating. Every time we release music, we are elevating. So elevation all the time. Yeah, man.
So after Coco Studio, what next? Because I've been seeing so many people are attending Coco Studio, but after things a little bit go a little bit low. So for you, what next after this?
I cannot comment about the future, but all I can tell you is that I always have my processes in check. So I always know when I have to do this and do the other one. So after Coco Studio, you will definitely hear some good news from me.
Okay, we're seeing you attending Coco Studio.
For a brother.
Yeah, we've seen this year we've seen two guys joining Coco Studio. You as a Ugandan artist, how do you feel for your friends being selected to join Coco Studio?
I feel like I believe in those artists that have been selected. Baimbe Bakabi, Zulitums is a very good vocalist. Fik Fameka is a top African rapper. I think they're gonna represent us so well. I believe they're the people that had to be selected. Yeah.
If this opponent had come on your side, were you ready for it?
I'm always ready, man. I know I'm a bit talented. I won't say I am, but I know I can do it anytime. Yeah, man.
So do we see you also, or would you love next year to be the one?
Inshallah, of course, God knows. And the people that select, I hope they select me next time. But it's okay, anytime. I do it if it comes. I don't do it if it doesn't. I know bad heart, no bad energy. But it's good. I know the artists that have been selected for us are going to represent Uganda. And I think they're the ones that are the favorite right now.
Among the famous TikTokers, and we know you are doing different dances.
Yeah.
And tonight you've appeared on a Coco Studio stage. What does it mean to you? You as a TikToker, where is TikTok guys taking?
It is actually meaning a lot to me. Tunabirabanga ku TV when I was in school, but I feel like this is really a moment for me to shine, and I've really used my time so well. So I've got an opportunity to feature on the Coco Studio stage with Fik Fameka, and I'm really so humbled. It's all because of TikTok. All my TikTok fans, I'm so humbled. I appreciate.
Okay. You as TikTokers, where is this app like really taking you from?
Trust me, a lot of TikTokers have come from ground level to the upper level. At this time, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for TikTok. I wouldn't get all this connection if it wasn't for TikTok. So whoever is right there and you're a TikToker, please believe in yourself. You can do this. Yeah, you can just aim high all the time.
One word for the dancers.
Yes, first of all, TikTok is really worldwide. It is really entirely dance, most especially. So if you're a dancer out there, kindly let's use this opportunity and take up the TikTok thing in UG. Yeah? So we can do this, promote songs, and we're going to earn some good money. Because it earns a lot.
So how are you?
Fine, how are you?
I've seen you appearing on a Coco Studio this year, the stage.
Yeah, man.
What opportunity is that and what does it mean?
It's really a pleasure to me that I'm representing the Ugandan dancers to the world. So I'm so happy about it. Yeah, that's all.
How did you feel when you're on stage?
Sorry?
How did you feel when you're on stage?
So happy, of course, so happy because me being on stage makes me proud. Yeah, because my hobby, I like it, so I'm so proud about it. Me being on stage, so it's a big thing.
This is going to be shown around the world in different countries.
Yeah, man.
So where do you see yourself going from?
I see myself dominating the entire world, Wembley more and raising the Ugandan flag to the top. Yeah,
thank you very much.
As dancers, so we are representing the Ugandan fraternity as dancers to the top, to the world. So, and the media people, big up yourself for making us proud and showing our talent outside the world. So big up yourself, my brother. Masembe on camera nkulaba nayenga luddeko mu Luganda.
You resemble one of the best TikTokers in you.
Yeah, I resemble my brother Ivo Official.
So how do you feel seeing your brothers being on a big stage like Coco Studio stage?
I'm so proud of him. He's so nice. Like, I'm happy for him. Chinsanyo. Yeah.
You attending Coco Studio tonight? Because you've been seeing it in different countries and not here. How do you feel attending the Coco Studio?
Coco Studio is a nice Is a nice brand. So I'm good. I'm happy to be here.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, welcome. Oluzungu lungi banaye mulekera wenzungu zungu wano.